Hey folks, it's Alan, WeShipFloors.com. We're out here in the showroom and we are racking out Supercore right on the showroom floor, right at the front door. Just want to give everybody a little sneak peek at what all the colors together look like. We're putting together right now. This is the natural oak. Beside of that is our acacia. There's our hickory. There's the ivory tower, lumberjack pine, faded glory, Napa Valley, farmwood, barnwood, rich earth, burley maple, solitude, fortress, bulletproof, krypton, steel, and then this one on the end is a mixture of steel and bulletproof, and we call it blackstone. Oh, sorry, black rock. So there you go. From the showroom, WeShipFloors.com. Supercore all over the place. Have a great day.